Here we are going to discuss about magnetic moment in uniform magnetic field. So there is a uniform magnetic field B. We are putting a bar magnet. We are putting a bar magnet inside the magnetic field. Now this type of scenario we have studied earlier. Here there is a uniform electric field. You put a dipole plus or minus Q charge. There will be force acting on that QE and plus or minus QE. There will be a torque induced. This is also analogous situation like that. When you try to put this bar magnet inside this magnetic field, what will happen? It will try to rotate the bar magnet. How? This bar magnet will have a north and a south pole with pole strength small m. This north pole will be experiencing a force in the direction of the magnetic field, and south pole will be experiencing a force opposite to the direction of magnetic field. So you have a situation like this where you have a force like this, a force like this. Okay, so what they will try to do, they will try to induce a torque. So it will try to rotate. So we want to find the torque. So what is torque? It is force multiplied by distance. Which distance? Minimum distance. Why? Because if two forces are there, equal and opposite, you can take any distance between them. Infinite possibilities are there, but it is defined in such a way that it has to be the minimum distance, and minimum distance is always perpendicular. Okay, so it is F into D. What is F? M into B. D from this triangle, you can see here, D by 2L will be sin theta. What is theta? This theta is the angle made by the bar magnet with the B. So D is equal to 2L sin theta. When you put it into this equation, you can shift 2L. It will become M into 2L into B sin theta. M into 2L is called magnetic moment. We have already discussed. So you can write this as M cross B. Okay. So torque is a vector. It depends upon M and B. So you can use right hand thumb rule here, and you should read always the angle between M to B. Okay. What is the direction of M here? M always is from south to north. So this is my M direction, and this is my beta direction. So this is my theta. Okay. So if you apply the right hand thumb rule, you get cross mark. That is, the torque direction here is penetrating the paper inside the paper.